Well, here we are.
So, how are you feeling, sweetheart?
I don't know if I'm sad or happy, really.
Rebecca, the three of us will be together today. How can you be sad?
This is the end of one chapter, and the beginning of another in our lives. Come on, let's face it as a family.
Hello, ladies. Rebecca, is it you? How grown you are already.
Yeah, several years have passed since then.
8 or 10 years now. Time flies.
You are... Anthony? Oh, thanks for rescuing my daughter. I will never be grateful
Oh,
enough.
don't worry. I was just doing my job.
Thank you, thank you, thank you 1,000 times.
Oh, because you're a bounty hunter, right? Who is that girl you tried to rescue? Amelia, right? Tell me about what happened to her. She was...
1, 2, and 3.
Good afternoon, everyone. Oh, good afternoon, Susan.
Dr. White, you are, very elegant.
Have you noticed my new bow tie?
Good evening, young ladies. Drink one of these. It will help you through this difficult time.
Oh, thanks.
It's my pleasure.
Look, that's Amelia.
I will go say hello.
Sit here, if you want.
Well, well, everything is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, you can enter in an orderly manner. Keep quiet, please.
How did we end up this way?
I feel a little...
Are you all okay? I can't believe it. You've all turned into pigs.
Come here right now! Boom!
can't believe it. I can finally get out of this place. I need to find help.